A very good morning to all the dignitaries and everyone. Me, Lieutenant Dr. T. Onima Reddy, am ex-KVN, studied from KVS Maithan, which comes under Dhanbad district, and presently it comes under Ranchi region. This gives me proud privilege, and I am honored that my own teacher, Shri Digvijay Pratap Singh, given me this opportunity to share my views on fitness. So thank you for inviting me to share my views on fitness. Friends, this is not the matter that for only one day we are walking and running and the rest of the days, months, weeks we are just spending our times by doing nothing. Friends, today is the world where you have to schedule yourself for your physical fitness because it is the prime focus. In this pandemic too, it has given us lots and lots of experience that we supposed to keep ourselves fit to boost our immunity system. Friends, presently I am working in Department of Physical Education, Banaras Hindu University, in the capacity of Associate Professor. And I'm feeling that talking about health is just not going to work. We should have the strong feeling to work on this. Until unless we are not working it out to make ourselves fit, we are not scheduling, it's not going to work, friends. It's working like it's empowering us in many ways. If you're fit, you will feel yourself that you can come and face your own difficulties, whether it is related with your day-to-day stress or tension. Friends, we in some way can contribute in empowering the another citizen of this country to create independent people with the feeling of well-being by keeping themselves fit, and first of all by keeping our own selves fit. So come friends, go for walk, go for jogging, go for brisk walk, go for your cycling, whatever you want to do. Go for dancing with music, but schedule a time for yourself. We should declare ourselves fit because we should not be the liabilities on this country. We should work as assets for this country. We should declare ourselves as responsible citizens who are equally concerned and mobilized and some of medium of being well, keeping themselves well-being and become hope for others. Which is such an inspiring and empowering feeling for oneself. तो बहाने नहीं, सॉल्यूशंस ढूंढिए. आप फिटनेस पे वर्कआउट कीजिए. The best you can do for yourself, that you have to trust yourself that yes, you can start. It's difficult to take initiative, but once you will start, you will see that there are drastic changes. You will feel happy. The more well-being will come to yourself. आप इस लाइफ टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी को मत खोइए, और जब जागो तभी सवेरा है. इसी मुहिम के साथ आप अपनी ज़िंदगी बदलिए, फिटनेस के साथ जुड़िए, आप कुछ भी फिटनेस का पहला कदम उठाइए और अपने आप को बदलिए। इससे खूबसूरत बात और कुछ हो नहीं सकती। मैं आज इस अवसर पर सभी को शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। यह साल, यह वक्त हम सबके लिए बहुत मुश्किल रहा है, लेकिन सच्चे भारतीय की तरह हमने हमारी हिम्मत से, हमारी एकजुटता होने से की भावना के साथ इस जो पैंडेमिक जैसा इतना बड़ा कहर हम पर टूटा है, हम लोगों को उसका डट कर सामना किया है और करना है। इसी एकता के साथ, इसी सहानुभूति के साथ हम हर तकलीफ का डट कर इससे आगे निकलेंगे और अपनी फिटनेस की मुहिम को हमेशा बरकरार रखेंगे। जब इस देश का एक एक पर्सन, एक एक व्यक्ति फिट होगा, तभी हमारा भारत देश सबसे ऊपर रहेगा हमेशा की तरह। ऐसी मेरी शुभकामनाएं हैं। फ्रेंड्स, आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर some of the beautiful video clips of some of my inspiring personality, those who are fit, those who are talking about fitness, and they are hard working on their fitness level too. They are my icons. They could be your icons too. Friends, my all good wishes to everybody, to myself also, that we need this time, that we need this opportunity, that every single day is full of life and we should maintain ourselves by keeping ourselves fit and making our every day, each moment full of life. My all friends, my all teachers and all the dignitaries of this great institution and this country, I'm thankful that in this big platform I got this opportunity to talk and to say few of my inspiring words. Be motivated, be inspired, and work for yourself. Take the full enjoyment of this life. Be fit and be good. Keep yourself empowering and feel good about yourself. Thank you so much.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं जब भी प्रधानमंत्री जी को देखता हूं तो उनसे प्रेरित होता हूं। एक जबरदस्त ऊर्जा है, दिन रात काम करते हैं और वो चाहते हैं कि पूरा भारत फिट हो जाए। अब मैं उनसे प्रेरित होकर अपने काम में थोड़ा सा व्यायाम शामिल कर लेता हूं। आपके फिटनेस का मंत्र क्या है? एक वीडियो बनाइए, पिक्चर खींचिए और सोशल मीडिया पर डालिए ताकि पूरा देश प्रेरित हो जाए। आइए हम सब मिलकर एक फिट इंडिया बनाएं।
The sports minister's fitness challenge on Twitter has gone viral. Rajyavardhan Rathore challenged Hrithik Roshan, Virat Kohli and Saina Nehwal, and Saina responded with this video.
I was living a fairy tale. Married, 2 beautiful daughters, loving parents and in-laws. क्या नहीं दिया था भगवान ने? But life had more in store. A U-turn that I wasn't prepared for. And the world felt sorry for me. Sorry, you had to go through it. Sorry, we don't have provisions for you. Sorry, you won't be able to get a job. Sorry, you can't take care of your kids. Sorry, I'm not ready for another sorry. I made myself unstoppable. I am Deepa Malik and I am fit to fight.